Welcome to Scotland, a land shaped by time and teeming with rugged beauty. Join us on a claymation adventure to uncover the wonders of this remarkable corner of the world. Let our claymation guides lead the way as we discover the wonders of Scotland together. In the Scottish Highlands, the land tells a story of ancient upheavals and glaciers carving valleys. These ancient forces have shaped a landscape that is both rugged and breathtakingly beautiful. The valleys, carved by the relentless movement of ice, stand as a testament to the power of nature over millennia. Each valley has its own unique character, formed by the specific conditions and forces that shaped it. The history of these valleys is written in the rocks and the contours of the land, waiting to be discovered by those who venture here. These mountains, cloaked in heather and mist, possess a stark beauty that speaks to the soul. The heather, with its vibrant purple hues, blankets the mountainsides, creating a stunning contrast with the often grey and misty skies. This interplay of colours and textures adds to the mystical allure of the Highlands. The mist which rolls in from the sea envelops the mountains in a shroud of mystery, making each peak and valley seem like a world unto itself. It's a landscape that invites exploration and contemplation. Golden eagles soar above and red deer roam the hills, their calls echoing through the glens. These majestic creatures are an integral part of the Highland ecosystem, each playing a role in the delicate balance of nature. The sight of a golden eagle in flight, with its wings spread wide against the sky, is a reminder of the wild and untamed spirit of this land. Similarly, the red deer, with their graceful movements and haunting calls, add to the sense of timelessness and natural beauty that defines the Highlands. We journey to Glencoe, a valley carved by ice and steeped in history. This iconic valley, with its dramatic landscapes and rich history, is a place of pilgrimage for many. The stories of Glencoe are etched into the very fabric of the land, from the ancient geological formations to the historical events that have taken place here. Walking through Glencoe, one can almost hear the echoes of the past, the whispers of those who have walked these paths before us. It is a place that captures the imagination and stirs the soul. This is a place of haunting beauty, a testament to the enduring power of nature. The landscapes here are both awe-inspiring and humbling, reminding us of the forces that have shaped our world. The beauty of the Highlands is not just in its appearance, but in the stories it holds and the emotions it evokes. It is a place where one can feel a deep connection to the earth and to the history that has unfolded here. The Highlands are a living, breathing testament to the power and beauty of nature. Let us venture further into the heart of the Highlands, where every turn reveals a new story. Each path we take, each hill we climb, offers a new perspective on this ancient land. The Highlands are a place of endless discovery, where the past and present coexist in a landscape that is both timeless and ever-changing. As we explore, we become part of the story, adding our own experiences to the rich tapestry of the Highlands. So let us continue our journey and see what new wonders await us in this magical place. Perched atop an extinct volcano, Edinburgh Castle is one of the most iconic landmarks in Scotland. Its strategic location has made it a focal point of Scottish history for centuries. Edinburgh Castle dominates Scotland's capital skyline, offering breathtaking views of the city below. The castle's imposing presence is a testament to its historical significance and architectural grandeur. A formidable fortress, it has witnessed centuries of history, from medieval battles to royal ceremonies. The castle has stood the test of time, bearing witness to the evolution of Scotland through the ages. Its stones whispering tales of sieges and royalty, each brick and mortar holds a story waiting to be told. The echoes of the past can still be felt as you walk through its ancient corridors. Within its walls, kings and queens have walked, making decisions that shaped the course of history. The castle has been a silent witness to the rise and fall of dynasties, and the honours of Scotland are displayed in all their splendour. These ancient symbols of Scottish royalty, including the crown jewels, are a must-see for any visitor. The sound of bagpipes drifts up from the Royal Mile, filling the air with a haunting melody. This traditional music is a reminder of the city's vibrant cultural heritage. Edinburgh is a city that celebrates its past while embracing the present, and the castle is at the heart of this dynamic. Each year, the Edinburgh Military Tattoo transforms the castle esplanade into a spectacle of music and dance. This event draws visitors from around the world, showcasing the best of Scottish culture. Edinburgh Castle stands as a beacon, a symbol of resilience and strength. Its towering presence is a constant reminder of the city's rich history and enduring spirit, a reminder of Scotland's enduring spirit. The castle is not just a historical monument, it is a living testament to the nation's past, present and future. Our journey takes us to the shores of Loch Ness, a place shrouded in mystery and legend. Nestled in the Scottish Highlands, this deep freshwater loch stretches for about 23 miles and is one of the largest bodies of water in the United Kingdom. Its dark, peaty waters have long been the subject of fascination and speculation. This vast loch is said to be home to the Loch Ness Monster, affectionately known as Nessie, a creature of myth and folklore. Tales of this elusive beast date back to ancient times, with the first recorded sighting in the 6th century by St. Columba. Over the years, numerous expeditions have sought to uncover the truth behind these legends. Sightings have been reported, but the mystery of Nessie endures. From grainy photographs to sonar readings, the evidence remains inconclusive, fueling both skepticism and belief. Visitors from around the world come to catch a glimpse of the legendary creature, adding to the loch's allure. Surrounded by rolling hills and ancient forests, the loch possesses an undeniable mystique. The landscape is a tapestry of natural beauty, with its rugged terrain and serene waters offering a perfect backdrop for the legends that have grown around it. The area is also rich in wildlife, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Ruins of Urquhart Castle stand sentinel on its shores, a reminder of a time when clans battled for control. This historic fortress, dating back to the 13th century, offers a glimpse into Scotland's turbulent past. Its strategic location made it a key stronghold during the wars of Scottish independence. Loch Ness is a place where myth and reality intertwine, and the spirit of adventure is alive. Whether you're drawn by the legends of Nessie or the breathtaking scenery, this iconic loch continues to captivate the imagination of all who visit. It's a destination where history, nature and folklore come together in a truly magical way. We venture to the Isle of Skye, where fairy tale landscapes meet dramatic coastlines. Known as the Misty Isle, Skye is a place of rugged beauty, sculpted by nature. Towering sea cliffs plunge into the Atlantic and waterfalls cascade down mountainsides. The Old Man of Storr stands as a sentinel, guarding the island's secrets. We'll explore the Quairing, a landslip of epic proportions, and discover hidden glens and shimmering lochs. The Isle of Skye is a place of wonder, adventure and beauty that touches the soul. Our journey takes us to the Isle of Lewis, where an ancient mystery awaits. On a windswept moor stands the Callanish standing stones erected millennia ago. Their precise alignment with the sun and moon suggests a deep connection to the cosmos. Were these stones a place of worship or a celestial calendar? The answers remain shrouded in mystery. As we stand among these silent giants, we feel a sense of awe and wonder. The Callanish standing stones are a testament to the enduring power of the past. From ancient stones, we travel to Glasgow, a city pulsing with modern energy. Once a powerhouse of industry, Glasgow has transformed into a centre for creativity and innovation. The River Clyde flows past museums, art galleries and concert halls. The city's Victorian architecture stands alongside modern buildings showcasing Glasgow's spirit. We'll explore the Kelvin Grove Art Gallery and Museum and soak up the atmosphere of Ashton Lane. Glasgow is a city of contrasts, where industrial grit meets artistic flair. Our journey culminates in the Cairngorms National Park, a vast wilderness of mountains, forests and lochs. Here we find a sanctuary for wildlife and adventure seekers. Golden eagles soar above and red deer graze in the valleys. We'll hike through valleys carved by glaciers and paddle across tranquil lochs. As the sun sets, we'll feel a sense of peace and tranquility wash over us. The Cairngorms National Park is a place to reconnect with nature and discover the true meaning of wilderness. As our claymation adventure draws to a close, we bid farewell to Scotland. We hope this journey has inspired you to experience the wonders of Scotland for yourself. Until next time, happy travels.